So in today's video, we are doing a review or a walkthrough of the Anjum Hotel in Mecca. So this is a hotel which consists of two towers and it's in very close proximity to the Haram. So if you want to stay very close to Kaaba, this is one of the options for you because of how close it is. And if you stay around till the end of the video, I'll show you the exact walk that you need to take to get to the masjid area. So I'm going to take you through the check-in process. The hotel has these porters which will help you with your bags. They'll take the bags off you when you arrive and they'll deliver them to your room. So the check-in process, it took me quite a while to check in because this hotel is very busy. It's a popular hotel. I discovered later that there's a separate desk if you've booked through booking.com. So if that's how you've booked your visit here, using that desk may be a lot faster for you to check in and out. So let's move on to the room now. So this is the room that I stayed in. I picked a twin room with a city view. When I walked in, they had a live stream of just around the Kaaba, which was nice. It was nice to see that when you first walk in. And just have a look at this view. So I'm going to show you the view during the daytime, and here it is at nighttime. It's honestly a beautiful view, and I believe they even have some rooms where you do get a view of the Kaaba, which is also amazing as well. Anyway, let's get on to the room review. So I booked a room which has two twin beds, and we have a kind of table with two chairs on the side, and between the two beds we have this motion sensor blue light, which is pretty cool. There's also an alarm clock there with a wireless charger. The hotel room has those UK plug sockets, which is ideal if you are from the UK. You won't need to use like a travel adapter. And let's have a look at the rest of the room. So over here by the TV there is some complimentary water which they've given, and there's also a coffee machine and also a kettle. They also provided a few different things here. So this is the coffee machine, and there are those blue pods there on the side for the coffee machine. And we have some complimentary dates which they gave. And they also provided various teas. So we have green tea there, and then we have English breakfast tea there too as well. And also like coffee creamer, coffee, and like sugar there as well. Okay, and then we also have a telephone there. We also have USB plug sockets there in the wall. Underneath this table there is a mini fridge. You do have to pay for those items there in the fridge. And then on the side here we have the wardrobes. On the top there's some spare blankets. There are two gowns there. They're like towel gowns, so if you wanted to use those you can use those. And there's a safe with a laundry bag. There's like a shoe horn, a shoe shine kit, and a sewing kit there with some slippers, a body scale, and there's also a Quran and a prayer mat there as well. And then on the other side of this wardrobe we have plenty of space to hang clothes. There's also an ironing board and an iron and some spare sheets and pillows there on the top. So going to the bathroom, we walk past quite a large mirror, full-size mirror there, and then in the bathroom there's another mirror there in front of the sink. And they've given plenty of lotions and creams and shaving kits and also dental kits. So quite a few different things there. And they can also top these up if you use them quickly. They'll be able to just send some up to your room. Here is the shower area. So the shower has a tiled floor. Here is a better angle of the full shower area. It's quite a spacious shower, and also over here this is the toilet, which also has a water jet there on the side. So that's everything in regards to the bathroom. And now what I want to do is show you the food options which were available. So I'm going to show you what iftar was like here at the hotel. I'm not sure if you're going to be staying here during Ramadan or if it's during the year. Either way, they will provide some kind of buffet for you if you are wanting to eat at the restaurant. So here is an example of what they could provide you. Okay, so Anjum Hotel also have a dedicated floor for prayers. So they have a men's side and a women's side. They refer to it as a masjid, so I'll just show you that here. So this is the praying area for men. I didn't record the female area, but this should just give you an idea of what to expect here. They do pray all of the salahs in this area and also tarawih as well. During the day, there's also a lot of people reading Quran, so they have plenty of Qurans available if you wanted to sit and read. So here are some of the prayers that were going on. And on the same floor, but on the other side, there is a kind of shopping area. So you can buy like everyday things, you can buy suitcases, you can buy Islamic gifts, and there's also a shop where you can buy various ouds. They also have a barber shop and a shop again for more ouds, and a shop just generally where you can buy groceries. So now what I wanted to show you is just the walk to the Haram area. Okay, so that's pretty much everything I want to show you for this hotel. This is the Anjum Hotel in Makkah. It's a 5-star hotel. Let me know your thoughts of this hotel, and if you have any questions, I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. If there's anything I've missed, please don't hesitate to let me know. If you can, like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really does help the channel to grow and help me out. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.